In this video, we're going to take a look at changing or updating our full name inside of Cash App. And after that, we'll also look at how to switch up our cash tag name where others can easily find and pay you. Changing your name is super easy to do, and you can change up your full name as many times as you need. Changing your cash tag is also easy to do, but know that before you do this, you can only change it twice after the initial one that you set. So when you change this, make sure you have the one for sure that you want to use. To get started, open Cash App. From any screen, tap your profile icon here on the top right. Here at the top, you'll see your current full name and also your cash tag underneath of that. Once you're ready, hit Edit Profile. Inside of here, we'll start by changing our full display name. Tap Full Name. When changing your name, make sure that it's your actual name or a name that everyone will know as you, so that there's no confusion when sending or requesting money. Make your edits to your name here, and when you're done, hit Save. It'll then update your full display name, and you can head back to your profile to make sure that it looks good. An easy way to see what others will see is by tapping Preview when you're here on the Edit Profile page. And when you go into the preview, you'll see your new display name. Now that we've updated that, let's change our cash tag. Head back to the Edit Profile main page, and then find and tap your current cash tag name here. Remember, you can only change this twice after your initial setting, so make sure it's one that you want to use for good or for at least a while. Enter the new name that you want to use, and if it's already taken, it's going to let you know right here. When you do find one that's available though, and you're ready, hit Set. You'll then get a pop-up letting you know about the change limits. After that, hit Confirm, and your cash tag will then be updated to the new one that you just set. And remember, anyone who has your old cash tag is going to need this new one in order to send or request money from you. And that's how you change your full display name and your cash tag inside of Cash App.